Hello everyone, this is Rajan Chandra Shaha, PhD researcher of Bangladesh University of Professionals. Welcome to my presentation in the 8th International SRF Workshop, Application of Intermodal in Transporting Container and Continuous Cargo for Reducing Carbon Emissions and Excessive Pressure on Dhaka-Chittagong Highway of Bangladesh. As introduction, intermodal transport brought a significant change in the freight transport system in the world. But in Bangladesh, this is an infant stage and we are lagging behind to introduce this uh, intermodal system properly in our country. Mention that Dhaka-Chittagong Highway is the main freight corridor of Bangladesh for entering to the principal seaport of Chittagong Port. So that it is very difficult to us to expose Chittagong Port all over the world and also improve our freight transport system all over the Bangladesh, also supporting the neighbors in the South Asia. So uh, I would like to say that we need to improve our intermodal system and we need to enhance our freight transportation system for developing our overall transport system in Bangladesh. Uh, uh, this is very remarkable figure that Chittagong Port is the 58th busiest container port of the world, that ranked by the Lloyd List in 2019. So in my research, I got two problems. One is the road intermodal is limited within the port city Chittagong and the dryage system is absent fully. The total distance from the port to the interland is maximum 550 kilometers, but dryage system is not available due to not introducing the system in Bangladesh. The second is the less than 5% of intermodal containers are moving by rail and river mode that also operate up to the capital city Dhaka only. So there is a good chance to improve the intermodal system and increase the percentage for getting the maximum support for introducing container transportation in Bangladesh. So this paper is making the objective to explore how the intermodal freight transport system will help Bangladesh to reduce carbon emission and excessive pressure on its principal highway Dhaka-Chittagong. If you look to the figure, then there are two aspects are bringing here. First one is the environmental aspect, that is road is the main source of carbon emission, and that is 132 carbon dioxide gram per ton kilometer. But if you look to the rail, that is 22 and river is 22.50. So if we avoid road and introduce and also increase the pressure of uh, rail and river, then it is very helpful to us to improve our environmental friendly transportation system intermodal in Bangladesh. Now the quantitative data analysis that is telling that the uh, TU's forecasting of Chittagong port is very highly, and this is very important for us that if we increase our connectivity within the inland transportation, then it will help us to get excess revenue and reduce the transport cost in Bangladesh, and will attract the world investor to invest in Bangladesh and gain profit from the transport and reducing their cost all over the world. So this study has the quantitative data analysis by using ARIMA model, and we got the some good figures that the forecasting is telling that in year 2030 it will be 4.5 million TEUs. So research findings is telling that container trailers will reduce 25% carbon dioxide emissions and carry double cargo compared traditional trucks and cover van. Mention that in Bangladesh, only the trucks and cover vans are taking the double spaces at the road, and it is very difficult to reduce the carbon emission, also congestion in the main or principal Chittagong Dhaka highway. And the port throughput is also telling that if we are unable to improve our inland connectivity by intermodal, then the excess container capacity, that means port throughput will not be a good figure due to stringent condition of cargo unloading and loading in the port protected area only. So the practical impact of the research is to set the intermodal nodes in the major cities of Bangladesh and make connection between Chittagong port and the major nodes or dry ports that will help to the direct connectivity, and it will reduce the uses of trucks and conventional covered band and other modes. So this research impact is to bring attention to the port authorities, also policymakers and the government for making policy for carbon dioxide reduction, also the inland nodes infrastructure development and easy intermodal connectivity to the seaports, by which we will attract the foreign investor to come in our country to invest, as we are trying to graduate it from the middle uh, to middle age country from the LDC status. Thank you very much for listening me, and please pray for us to keep more concentration on developing our intermodal transport system in Bangladesh.